What I am going to discuss today is India will face a huge problem if these things are not taken into concern. These are the hidden truths which is behind the coronavirus pandemic in India. India has almost 1.3 billion of population. Almost 70% of Indian population are from rural areas. Usually the peoples in rural areas are innocent. They are not much aware about the seriousness of coronavirus. They usually don't use sanitizers for their day-to-day use. If they went for any grocery, if they're going outside or anywhere, they don't usually wash their hands with any sanitizers. People from rural areas, also people from cities, they don't usually wear any clinical masks or they don't usually use the mask which is recommended by government. They are using the masks such as hand-tailored cloth masks. Usually the cloth mask protects others from you, but it won't protect you from virus. There is 70% of chance that you get virus with the cloth mask. It is not that protective. So it is recommended to use clinical mask or mask like N95. The mask like N95 are reusable so people can use it multiple times. There are many villages, even there are many cities remains untested. It brings a huge risk to India because untested people can spread anywhere. In rural areas, even if people have symptoms, has a fear to reach out the hospital because they will having a fear of family and society, which they abandon the affected peoples away from the village. If once the disease started to spread among the village, if it remains untested, there is a huge risk for India because there is more than half of the population in India is from rural areas. So it will bring a huge risk for India. So it is the responsibility of government to increase the awareness and testing in every corner in India. Be safe guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe to this channel.